Okay, we're going to start with visual text, which was horribly done. I don't know how many of you got so many of the questions wrong, so please pay attention very closely. Was it very difficult? Because visual text, who can tell me how many marks, how many questions for PSLE? Anyone remembers visual text? There's only 2 comprehensions for PSLE. One is open-ended comprehensions, right? 20 marks, right? 10 questions. The other one is visual text. Yes, Abir?
Is it 4 marks?
Visual text. You need visual text. You do only 4 questions. Good try, but no. I've mentioned this before. Yes, Rohan?
Is it like 10?
No. Please remember, write it down. When I ask you this again, make sure you know the answer. It is 8 questions, 8 marks. Okay, there's 2 kind of comprehension for PSLE. One is open-ended comprehension. Another one is this, which is visual text. Okay, which is 8 questions, 8 marks. Now, vocabulary close. Somebody's background is very noisy. I said keep yourself muted, right?
But
Vocabulary.
then for my score is 4 questions.
What?
But then for my score is 4 questions and 4
Yes,
marks.
I'm talking about PSLE. I don't care about P4 exam. You're all working towards PSLE, right? So of course, now they give you a little bit questions because they want to train you towards that. But for exam, for PSLE is 8 questions, 8 marks. Now, vocabulary course, how many questions, how many marks? Anybody? Rohan hand is raised. Yes? Or you forget to put your hand down. Anyone knows? Remember, I told you vocabulary is always 5 questions, 5 marks. Right? 5 questions, 5 marks. Please remember this. I'm not going to repeat this 10,000 times, okay? Go into your head. If you can't remember, write it down. Grammar is standard. How many questions, how many marks? Who remembers? Yes, Abir?
10 marks.
Yes, 10 questions. 10, yes, give us a point. 10 questions, 10 marks. So vocabulary, MCQ, whether or not it's MCQ or close, it's both 5 questions, 5 marks, okay? Grammar, whether it's MCQ or close, is always 10 questions, 10 marks, okay? Remember that. Next, let's start with visual text, 8 questions, 8 marks. Now we are going to do a warm-up exercise, right? So which tour should each person choose? There is Davy, there is Mara, and there is Frankie. Here are some descriptions about what they enjoy. Now, can you match it with the correct exhibition that they will enjoy going? Is it going to be Civic District, this one, or this one? So I'm going to write here 1, 2, or 3. Can someone tell me, Davy will like which one? 1, 2, or 3? Anybody?
What? You say?
Davy on the screen, right? Read what she's interested. Wall murals. Murals are basically just drawings, okay, on the wall, okay? So, and this is the description of her. I'm asking about Davy, this one, this person. Which one would she like? Yes, Mani, your hand is raised. Yeah, I cannot hear you.
3.
3, can you tell me why?
Because since yeah.
You just guess the answer. What's the clue?
You wanted to know more about the points following. At number 3, you get to learn about the religion, customs, culture, and food unique.
Because you want to learn about traditions. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, it says right now.
Yes, and she's also interested in local artists, right? Art. She likes art. And then here you can see art decors, right? So yes, the answer is 3. Very good. Give yourself 2 points, 1 for the answer and 1 for the clue. Somebody tell me, Mara, which one of Mara like? Yes, Abir?
It's number 1.
Okay, can you tell me why?
It's because it has a hidden backstory of 2 heritage bridges which span the Singapore River's history.
Yes, and what about her passage tells you that that's the answer?
Because she wants to find out more about historical figures who lived in Singapore.
Yes, very good. Historical figures, and also she likes mystery, right? Mystery means all the hidden secrets. So you see hidden backstory, right? So yes, good. Give yourself 2 points. So that is the answer. Well done. Last one, Frankie. What would Frankie like? Yes, Abir? You are muted. Yes. Sorry, not Abir, Rohan.
It's number 2 because you can see Frankie thinks that they are about the shopping mall areas of Singapore, and they mentioned Gizili shopping malls and office towers.
Yes, very good. So she'll enjoy shopping, she'll learn about new shopping
Yeah.
areas, right? So yes, gives up 2 points. Well done. So having seen that, now we know in order to really understand a visual text, we need to know what is the purpose. Especially they love to ask this question. What is the main purpose, right? Means the most important reason. Not so all the options can be also reasons, but you're looking for the most important reason. Okay. So let's look at an example. So visual text, okay, there's usually 2 purposes. Oh my gosh. Wait, something fell. Give me a moment. Two purposes, either to inform or to persuade. So either they want to give you information about something, or they want to persuade you to join something or do something. Okay, persuade means to convince you. That's what persuade means. Okay. Okay. Now, can someone unmute yourself and raise your hand first? What does persuade mean? I just said it. Yes, Rohan?
Like inviting.
No, I just gave you the word. Are you all paying attention? What did I just say? What is another word for persuade? Starting with C. Convince. Please pay attention. Don't stop drilling in class, okay? So inform means to give you information, to tell you something, right? Persuade is to convince you, okay? To do something or to join something. All right. So here, can you tell me, this, of course, the purpose is to inform, right? Inform. This is the sample poster, some English fun facts. Can you tell me why is this a poster for informing you? What are they trying to inform you about? Anybody? What are they trying to inform you about? What does the text want you to know? Yes, Rohan? Please use your reaction button. I keep telling you that you physically raise your hand. Use the reaction button. Yes, Rohan? What are they trying to? Okay, Money? So I cannot hear you. Your voice is very cutty. Can you use a earpiece or something?
It's about English facts.
Yes, English facts like what?
Like the word.
Like the word set has the most definitions, meaning has the most number of meanings in the English dictionary. And what is the longest word in alphabetical order?
Almost.
Yes, almost. Okay. And what is the longest English word that doesn't have a vowel? A vowel is A-E-I-O-U, right?
Rhythm.
Yes, very good. Yes, gives us 2 points, Money.
Miss Nisha,
Yes.
my teacher always tells sometimes Y can be a vowel. Is it true? Or
Yes, it's true. If it sounds like a vowel, Y will be a vowel. Yes. Okay. Like if it sounds like the ear. No, Y is yard, right? So in some words, sometimes it has a vowel sound. I can't think of it now, but it can be used as a vowel. There's no vowel, but of course here A-I-O-U. Just looking at that, that's the basic. Thank you for asking that question. Now this one is an example of persuading. Who said my name? Oh, is it Ariano? Yes. This is an example of persuading. Can someone tell me, raise your hand first, what they're trying to persuade you to do? What are they trying to... Who said smoking? I heard someone, but never raise your hand. Yes, Amani?
make people stop smoking.
Yes, they're trying to get you to stop smoking. If you're a smoker, they want you to stop smoking. Yes, good. So they're trying to persuade you to convince you to stop smoking, right? They're giving you examples of why you should stop smoking and the reasons. So this is the example of persuasion. So either to inform or either to persuade is usually the case for visual text, okay? So now this is your visual text. I do not know how many of you actually spent time to read your visual text before you started to look at the questions, because so many of you got so many of questions wrong. So that clearly tells me that you didn't really read the passage properly. Okay, so here, if let's first, does anyone like art, by the way? Do you like drawing? Anyone likes art? Rohan, I see Rohan's hands raised, Mani's hands raised. Good to know. Only 2 of you like art. Okay, so this is an art exhibition. An art arena is here, right? They're trying to get you to join this exhibition. So let's look at the questions. Okay, I'm going to spin. So the person whose name you see is going to answer my question number 1. Okay, Ariano, is he back? Let's see if Ariano is back. Is Ariano? Nicole, your video is glitchy. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't see you, and I think he's not back. Okay, let me spin again. Okay, Rohan. All right, can you look at the question? Number 1, you're going to tell me the answer. Everybody else, please write your answer in the group chat. So in the chat, read and write the answer to me. Ariano, I'm sorry, Rohan will be the one explaining to me why the answer is the answer. Okay, so everybody first type. I'm going to count 10 seconds, write your answers in your group chat.
Where's the text? I mean, where's the poster?
The poster?
Yeah, we have to look at it.
Can you, who's saying that? Is it Abir? Yes, can you please go to your portal? Your portal has your poster, right? So look at the poster there, because I already showed you a poster. But either way, this is the poster. I can share it to you after you read the question. Have you read the question? What is the exclamation mark used in the heading, right? In this heading, what is the exclamation mark used? So let's look at the poster and tell me the answer. Okay, I see Nicole says it's D. Mani says it's D. Anybody else? Chloe says it's D. Thank you. Everybody else, please type your answer. I see most of you say is D. However, when I was marking, some of you say it's A. Let me see. Well, I got answers as A. Some of you gave me the answers as A. Some of you give me the answer as C. Okay, so A or C. Now, A or C is not the answer. The answer is D, all right? Can Rohan tell me why is the answer D and not A or C? Why is A wrong? And why is C wrong? Why is the answer D?
Like
whenever you use exclamation mark, you are either
we use it for like we got like scared or excitement or
excitement, yes. Okay, you give the answer as C, unexpected one. You wouldn't put an exclamation. Why is it? Why do you think it's unexpected? Unexpected means you're not expecting the art arena to be here, but of course you're expecting it because the campaign was running, right, for some time. So everybody already knows the art arena is going to be here. That's why the answer cannot be C. So you have to read every option for visual text and choose the one that is the best response to the question. So the answer here is D. Cannot be A, to emphasize the event is now opened for all to enjoy, because it's not for I mean, exclamation mark is beyond emphasis. It's you are showing your excitement. Okay, so the clue here is this word. Okay, and Nicole, what happened to your video? We can't see you. We only see a black screen and a green, but I think you can still hear me since you are answering in the chat. So the answer is D, as Rohan gives us 1 point for trying. Now, number 2, this is number 2's question. I'm going to spin my wheel first to see who is going to answer the question, then I'll go to number 2. Oh no, cannot be Rohan again. Let's see somebody else. Okay, Abir, tell me the answer for question 2. This is the question. What is the main purpose? Means they're asking you for the most important. Right? So there can be more than one answer, but you're picking the most important. So what is the most important? Let's see the chat. Please type your answers in the chat. Ariano, you said D and A. What is the answer? D or A? Mani says D. Chloe says C.
Oh, it's just now.
Oh, it's just now one. Okay, so you can tell the answer for this. So
Well,
I see D, C, D.
I have to see the poster.
So for question 2, I see answers as D. Please go to your portal, Abir. Open your portal. What?
Where is the portal?
What do you mean, where's the portal? Where you did your tutorial? In the portal, right? Edit tuition. That's where you did your homework, right? That's called the portal. So go to that and see the poster. And this is the poster. What is the answer, Abir? So I see in the group chat, many of you gave me the answer as D or C's. Okay, this one, nobody actually got it wrong. So I'm surprised to see variation in the answers. No, actually, 1 person got it wrong. 1 person wrote answer as D. Okay, now let's see the answer. Why is the answer C?
Well, because in the text it said the aim of the arts arena is to help the community.